Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is Appgeeker. Everybody gets a passcode to protect iPhone. But what if you forgot? You're always using Face ID, which makes you forget passcode. In today's video, let's talk about how to unlock iPhone 11 without passcode. You only have to prepare a computer, a cable, and your iPhone. The first step is to go to Appgeeker.com and find iPhone Unlocker. Download the tool on Windows or Mac. After you install the software, open iPhone Unlocker. And click the web passcode. Click Start and connect your iPhone 11. For an iPhone 11, we have to press and release the volume up, and press and release the volume down, and then press and hold the side button. Let's try. Connect your iPhone. This is volume up, this is volume down, and side button. Volume up, volume down, side button. The screen will flash the Apple logo, and keep holding until you see Connect to your computer screen. Now your iPhone 11 is in recovery mode. When you successfully connect your iPhone, it will come to next page. Choose iPhone 11, and click the Start. After you finish downloading the firm package, enter 4 times 0 to unlock. When the running bar goes to 100%, your iPhone 11 will be factory reset. Let's move on. Quick start your iPhone, and now you can see the iPhone is totally factory reset as a new one, and we can access to it. And this is Appgeeker about how to reset a disabled iPhone without iTunes. We'll be happy if you unlock your iPhone 11 successfully. See you in next video.